Naghahanap ka ba ng budget-friendly na healthcare? Aba, pwede mong i-consider itong Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder. Bakit? Dahil as low as 2,647 a month ay maaari ka nang magkaroon ng healthcare fund. At hindi lang ito basta-basta healthcare. Meron na rin itong additional na insurance benefit at hindi masasayang ang ipon or ibabayad mo na pera dito dahil kung hindi mo naman magagamit ang iyong healthcare benefits, maaari itong ma-convert into savings and investment and upon maturity ay pwede mo itong ma-withdraw. Now, 7 taon mo lang ito pag-iipunan. Budget friendly? Why? Kasi 88 pesos a day. Syempre, ang maaari makapag-avail ng ganito kababa na healthcare fund yung edad 10 years old to 40 years old. Kung ikaw naman ay 41 to 50, as low as 3,529 pesos per month ang pwede mong mai-avail. At kung ikaw naman ay 51 to